Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can move the edge panels handle position to the left hand side of the screen or to the right hand side. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, and in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we scroll down and tap on display. Then we scroll down and tap on edge panels. Now go down and tap on handle. At the top here, tap on position. From the pop-up, you can either choose left or right. If you choose right, then the handle will be on the right hand side of the screen. If you select left, it will be positioned on the left hand side of the screen. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.